The speech processor test device is a simple tool that may be used to troubleshoot the most common problems encountered by users and caregivers interacting with the RONDO audio processor. Common problems may include weak batteries or problems with the microphone. If any problem cannot be fixed by troubleshooting with the speech processor test device, contact your CI center immediately. To use the speech processor test device, first ensure that the batteries are adequately working. You may wish to test using fresh batteries. The foil covering the zinc air batteries must be removed before use. Ensure that the plus pole is facing outward. When correctly inserted, the plus sign will still be visible after insertion. To reattach the battery pack once the batteries have been changed, use the gently landing airplane method. The battery pack should come in at a slight angle against the back side of the control unit. After first switching it on, place the RONDO underneath speech processor test device. The RONDO should be upside down, and the red indicator light of the speech processor test device should be face up. When speaking or whistling into the microphone, the red light should flicker in rhythm with your voice. If the red light on the speech processor test device does not flicker or stays on constantly, adjust the volume of the RONDO using the fine-tuner remote control unit. After adjusting the loudness, the flickering of your voice should be recognizable. If this does not work, contact your audiologist.